date that unleashed everything from epic battles and catastrophic sinkings to mind-bending scientific achievements. Hello, adventurous time warpers, and welcome to Today in History for 29 May. We've gathered 20 marvels guaranteed to spice up your dinner banter. If you crave cosmic breakthroughs, rebellious drama, or sensational escapades, smash that subscribe button right now. Buckle up, because once we fire up this time travel machine, your sense of normal may be forever changed. Number 20. On 29 May 1453, Ottoman forces led by Sultan Mehmed II conquered Constantinople, ending the Byzantine Empire. This seismic event reshaped trade routes, catapulted Ottoman power, and startled a watching Europe. Number 19. On 29 May 1660, Charles II re-entered London in triumph, restoring the English monarchy after Cromwell's Commonwealth. Royalists partied hard, and the crown resumed flamboyant traditions that had briefly gone dark. Number 18. On 29 May 1727, Peter II became sole ruler of Russia at only 11 years old. Court intrigues swirled around this boy-tsar who proved more interested in hunting than politics. Number 17. On 29 May 1790, Rhode Island finally ratified the U.S. Constitution, last of the original 13 states to jump aboard. Relieved Federalists toasted the holdouts' belated embrace of unified governance. Number 16. On 29 May 1798, the United Irishmen's Rebellion flared, fueling Ireland's quest for independence. While initially fiery, British forces quelled the uprising, but it planted seeds for future nationalist movements. Number 15. On 29 May 1848, Wisconsin became America's 30th state, wooing settlers with forested frontiers, fertile farmland, and a promise of cheese curds that soon sparked a proud dairy-centric identity. Number 14. On 29 May 1864, Austrian Archduke Maximilian arrived in Mexico, invited by conservatives to be emperor. His imperial dream soon crashed, courtesy of liberal troops and a lethal firing squad. Number 13. On 29 May 1913, Igor Stravinsky's The Rite of Spring premiered in Paris, igniting a near riot. Dissonant chords and frenzied choreography shocked high society, redrawing boundaries for modern music and dance. Number 12. On 29 May 1914, the RMS Empress of Ireland sank in Canada's St. Lawrence River after colliding with a Norwegian ship. Over 1,000 perished, overshadowed by the Titanic's earlier legend. Number 11. On 29 May 1918, Armenia's army won at Sardarap against the Ottomans, preserving its nationhood on the brink. This heroic stand remains a potent symbol of Armenian survival and pride. Number 10. On 29 May 1932, the signing of the Constitution of Siam modernized Thailand's monarchy, tipping more power to parliament. This partial shift away from absolute rule sparked a new political dance. Number 9. On 29 May 1942, Adolf Hitler ordered the Night and Fog Decree to intensify the abduction of resistance members. This sinister tactic spread terror across occupied Europe, fueling fierce underground defiance. Number 8. On 29 May 1948, the United Nations True Supervision Organization began peacekeeping in the Middle East, attempting to quell Arab-Israeli tensions. Its mission pioneered global efforts toward stabilizing armed conflicts. Number 7. On 29 May 1953, Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay conquered Mount Everest, reaching Earth's highest summit. Their oxygen-starved triumph echoed worldwide, energizing mountaineers to chase the tallest peaks with gusto. Number 6. On 29 May 1964, the Arab League founded the Palestine Liberation Organization in Jerusalem. This coalition intended to unify Palestinian representation and soon became a central actor in regional politics. Number 5. On 29 May 1972, President Richard Nixon arrived in Iran, forging alliances with the Shah. Lavish welcomes belied the region's simmering unrest that would explode in revolution just years later. Number 4. On 29 May 1985, the Heysel Stadium disaster rocked European soccer, leaving 39 dead and hundreds injured after rioting fans triggered a stadium collapse in Brussels, fueling sweeping safety reforms. Number 3. On 29 May 1988, Boris Yeltsin was elected Speaker of the Russian Parliament, undermining Soviet-era strongholds. His meteoric rise presaged the USSR's collapse and Russia's turbulent transition into a new order. Number 2. On 29 May 1999, Olusegun Obasanjo took office as Nigeria's president after years of military rule. Democracy's revival sparked hopes of stability, yet also confronted oil-fueled tensions and restless ethnic divides. Number 1. On 29 May 2005, French voters rejected the proposed EU constitution in a referendum, rattling Brussels. This stinging, non-forced major rewrites and fueled debate about the bloc's future directions. And that's your 29 May extravaganza, brimming with scorching rebellions, cosmic mountain climbs, and a dash of heartbreak on the high seas. If these time-bending tales kick your curiosity into overdrive, subscribe right now for tomorrow's fresh scoop. Word has it we'll see cunning conspiracies, comedic fiascos, and maybe a cameo from a top-hatted genius. Ready to keep unraveling the mysteries locked in history's attic? Stay tuned.